Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Now I am going to see this chapter India's trading partners. Question number 1. Under which initiative are Apple and Samsung assembling phones in India for export? Answer option A, Make in India. Question number 2. What percentage of the world's diamond are cut and polished in India? Answer option D, 90%. Question number 3. Together, the European Union and USA account for nearly what percentage of India's exports? Answer option B, 40%. Question number 4. Based on the bar chart, India's export partners financial year 23, which single country is India's largest buyer? Answer option A, USA. Question number 5. What is the primary product exported from Morbi, Gujarat? Answer option C, ceramic tiles. Question number 6. How did many entrepreneurs in Morbi fund their business in the early days? Answer option B, community based funding from family and groups like the Pantanal community. Question number 7. What drives the success of India's service exports according to the text? Answer option D, skilled IT professionals with English language skills. Question number 8. Which region is the largest destination for India's service export? Answer option B, East Asia, Japan, Korea, Southeast Asia. Question number 9. What was India's share of total global goods exports in financial year 23? Answer option D, 2.8%. Question number 10. India's large import bill comes primarily from which group of items? Answer option A, crude oil, gold, machinery and electronics. Question number 11. What is the goal of the Atmanirbhar Bharat scheme mentioned in the context of imports? Answer option A, to promote self-reliance and save foreign exchange. Question number 12. Why is India moving toward importing high-tech nuclear reactor and wind turbine? Answer option C, to reduce India's carbon footprint. Question number 13. What are the tunnel boring machines used for? Answer option B, digging underground tunnels for metro, railway and roads. Question number 14. Which Indian companies have started manufacturing DBMs locally? Answer option C, L&T, BEML and Tata Projects. Question number 15. India import lithium primarily for which purpose? Answer option A, batteries in electronic vehicles. Question number 16. Which metal is imported specifically for wires and machinery? Answer option B, copper. Question number 17. Which of these is not a merchandise import according to? Answer option D, software consulting from Africa. Question number 18. From which region does India import palm oil, crude oil, machinery and reactors? Answer option C, Southeast Asia, Malaysia, Indonesia and Thailand. Question number 19. What does India buy from the Far East? Japan, Korea, Taiwan. Answer option B. Electronics, auto parts, electrical machinery and mold. Question number 20. According to the bar chart, which region, not country, is India's largest export partner? Answer option C. European Union.